Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into Uber. So to do that, first of all, open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in uber.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page, and here on the web page, you need to click on login at the right side. Click that. Once you click on login, you need to choose whether you want to sign in to drive and delivery, sign in to ride, or sign in to order delivery with Uber Eats. You choose your option. So from here, I'm just going to go with the first option. To do that, you need to provide either your phone number or the email address. Type in your number or the email address. Then click on next. Now a 4-digit code will be sent to the mobile number of yours. You need to type in that code in this text box once you receive it. Type in that code and it will be confirmed. Your phone number will be confirmed and then you will need to provide the password over here. Click on next and with that you will be logged in into the account of your Uber. So this is how you can log in into the Uber account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.